So this girl Yema was asked if she and Ashay are still friends, and she said no. And she was asked why, and she replied by saying that, Ashley, did not respect her boundaries and what she wanted. So according to my understanding, what she wanted was to kiss Ashay. And as we all know, Ashay has a girlfriend outside the Big Brother house, right? And I believe that Liema is aware of that. Now, one thing about Liema is that she is all over the place. One thing for sure, she wanted Umeli. Meli is with Utandeka. She didn't want Utumi the Baba, but all of a sudden she and Tumi the Baba. And then now it's like she is all over the place. I don't know what her problem is, but I think that Ashay saw her as a friend. And I feel like as much as she wants her boundaries to be respected, I believe that she should also respect Ashay's boundaries. And for her to completely cut Ashay out because Ashay stood his ground and did not want to do anything with her. I feel like it's really being unfair because it seems like she wants to control Ashay, and I have to really give it up to Ashay for standing his ground, man. He's like a very quiet guy in the house. He's like someone that I believe people would think they can step all over. But I feel like when he stood up for himself, it kind of like gave way to know that he's quiet, but yes, he has boundaries, and his no means no. And I believe that Uliema was supposed to respect that. And she wouldn't know our opinions on this because she's inside the house. And guess what? The people who are inside the house are scared of her, except Tandeka, because I'm sure Tandeka does not care. Like, she really does really not care about this girl. But I believe that Udidi and Trixie are the ones who are supposed to tell her that, yes, your feelings are hurt, but look at it from his side. He also has a girlfriend, because also she was saying that she can say something that might make him and his girlfriend break up, basically. So maybe there's something that Ashay did that the viewers didn't get to see on the Big Brother house, and I'm sure that sooner or later we will find out. But I believe that Liema was supposed to respect Ashay's boundaries. That's my opinion on that. So here is the full video, guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you on my next video.
Don't you understand?
What are you talking about? Like, give me...
Are you and Ashay still friends?
No, we are not.
Why?
Because Ashay hurt me.
How did he hurt you?
I've been telling him what hurts me and my boundaries, and he didn't follow them. So I can't give him another chance.
Ashay, is this true?
I don't think it's true, Smash, but it's fine. It is what it is.